Hello everyone, I'm Sally Bradley, a Sister of Mercy and the Executive Director of Mercy Works. I'd like to say a very sincere thank you to all of you at All Hallows School Community for all your fundraising efforts this year for our projects in Papua New Guinea.
And compassion to those whom you serve in the various communities around the world, and continue to sow God's love through mercy and compassion. I also would like to thank the parents and the guide the poor, and especially this time of COVID, as we understand it's not easy. It's not easy to take extra steps or do extra things for other people, but we do really appreciate your effort, and thank God for taking extra measures, going an extra mile during this COVID, and we are very appreciative of the gifts shared with us. So I also would like to thank the parents and the guardians for all their support for the school activities, especially when it comes to fundraising and all the other activities in the parish, and faith, the community faith, different places that the parents are there at the back supporting their children with a good heart. Money that were raised for Kyungadaru, we have got program with health. Also, we have got the coordinator and people on the ground out there responding to the health needs there, and so they have got different programs. So I also would like to thank them. For us, Simbo, we are establishing, and thank you so much for the contribution for the COVID-19, the response. And I can assure the girls watching, it is well used for those who are unable to help themselves. And so for us in Papua New Guinea, we had decided that the money that we used is for different parishes and the diocese where the sisters are. So up in the highlands, we are responding to COVID through food distribution and through emergencies. And so we are doing food distribution and into the villages and the different people of Mundiawa, Gembog, and the provinces are all. And the sisters on the coast, also food distribution, and they are also doing the water and sanitation. So they are supplying tanks into the villages, and also the food supply. So they also share food with the communities. And so that's in Simbu. And Goroka and Hagen, we are also selling food as well. So it's been a great help to the people, especially those who could not afford to buy the basic necessities at this time of COVID. And so it was a great help. And we will mention that here on the ground, for myself and the team here, won't do what we have done if you are not at our back or supporting us. So thank you to you all for us in this exercise. All in all, like, we are a team. So we are a team. So what we do here is you are all included. So we are very appreciative of your constant and ongoing support, generosity, and help.